Yeah, you know it's a Greenface.
Purchase your tracks today.
I cannot lose, that I refuse. Ice around my neck and ice around my wrist. My body can't keep on going up, just smashing out a bitch. Then I just dab on a bitch, cause I'm young and I'm rich. I cannot lose, that I refuse. I step out and I'm loaded up with jewels. These niggas think they're tough, but they're just some fools. These motherfuckers don't let me send my goons. They'll make your brain take a trip to the moon, make your soul leave the earth. Nigga, you have to die, cause I cannot lose. Losing, yes, I refuse. I got ice around my neck, nigga, I'm loaded with jewels. Bitches say my neck is wetter than the pool, but you better know these niggas acting like some fools. Think they're tough, but they're not. These niggas plot. If they diss me in the graveyard, they're gonna rot. Nigga, I cannot lose, that I refuse. Ice around my neck and ice around my wrist. My body can't keep on going up, just smashed another bitch, nigga, cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm bothered. Dab on a bitch, yes, I'm cool. These niggas be some fucking fools, and they better know I never leave the house without my tool. When I walk, nigga, I drip, nigga. Hope you don't slip, nigga. I am a pimp, ayy. You better see it in my link when I walk, nigga, with a gat. Nigga, lay you down like a mat when I bust my gun, you drop flat. Nigga, you better know this nigga cannot lose, nigga. Came from the hood, like what's good, nigga. I got my pocket rocket, never leave it, nigga. And you better know I'm about to blow, nigga. Fuck your baby mama, cause she a hoe. And you better know I got a lot of fucking dough, and I got a new flow. I cannot lose. Ice around my neck and ice around my fucking wrist. Body can't keep on going up, just smashing not a bitch. Bought a dab on a bitch, cause I'm young and damn rich. Nigga, pull up in a motherfucking spaceship, beating my chest, nigga, like I'm on some ape shit. Your bitch suck my balls like she sucking on some grapes. Nigga, she suck my dick like she sucking on the vape. Nigga, and you better know up, because I cannot lose, I cannot lose. That shit I refuse, and I got a lot of juice. I cannot lose, I cannot lose. That I refuse, that I refuse, that I refuse.